Today we leave Korat. Still 8 hours have passed and I'm still on the bus. Hopefully get there within the next hour. It's been a long trip. Okay, we finally arrived at Korat. Jin's just checking out some accommodation first and then we'll get a taxi to it. 9-hour trip from Trat to Korat. What a day. Our hotel for the next 3 nights in Korat. Yeah, looking pretty swish. Okay, we got a motel for hotel room for the night, $50 a night or 1,000 baht per night. Yeah, it's not bad actually. Toilet, shower, we got a fridge, microwave, sink, kettle, nice sized bed, TV. That's alright. Little desk area. Best thing of all, nice balcony as well. And not a bad view. Okay, we're in Korat, in the central part of town or the city, and yeah, we're going to do a bit of sightseeing around here. Jen's found something that she likes, sticky rice. Variety of Japanese food today. Something a bit different. Been living off Thai for the last 4 weeks. But outside, yeah, it's stinking hot. Inside here, it's beautiful and nice and cold. Okay, just spent a good day out in Korat and nice Korat. Okay, Korat. Yeah, just having a cold beer, some nuts and a bit of sushi. Kick back and relax. It's been a hot day today actually. This morning it wasn't too bad, but then yeah, the temperature really increased. So this is the restaurant we came to last night. It's quite nice actually. Quite a nice little setup. And the food is absolutely fantastic. It's really, really good. So yeah, here we go. A nice cold beer. Some chili nuts. And some sushi. Jin's favourite. Yep.
Yep, it's my favorite.
Sushi is Jin's favourite. Cup and cup. Okay, off to the morning market. Just got to watch out for these power lines here. Okay, what do you think? Let's go. Look around first. You want to get some?
You want coffee, iced coffee or you want?
No, normal coffee, hot coffee. Okay, we're at PhiMai Historical Park. It's old temples from the Khmer time, and yeah, we're going to go and check that out. Okay, this is the main entrance, and we've also got the main temple in that direction there. So yeah, let's explore this place. So this building was constructed in the 12th century AD. Yeah, it's very similar to Buriram. It is the same time, same empire, Khmer. And that's the main temple in front. Looks like the area where a lot of the stones for the temple need to be repaired and placed back where they belong. But yeah, so here you can see a whole heap of rocks. Some of them got numbers and codes on them. Most likely they'll get put back to their original place. And yeah, just behind me is the actual temple. Let's have a look around. So yeah, absolutely fascinating. So here we've got a collection of decorative pieces that belong to the temple, and we'll check them all out. You know, when you consider how old this is, and you can see sculptures like this carved in the rock. Okay, I'm standing at the last building before it goes back out into town, and in the distance, I'm not too sure if the GoPro will pick it up, there's another wall or another building. But yeah, this is all part of the historical park, and I'm not too sure if that building in the background is. But yeah, very fascinating place, or very interesting place. Been to Angkor Wat before, and it's more or less from the same period, and yeah, this is impressive. Very interesting windows with the columns in the middle. Okay, we're now in the museum, get some information, and some of this was actually constructed in the 11th century as well, so earlier than what I mentioned before with the 12th century. It covers quite a big area, and there are a few buildings scattered around, and one building that I mentioned you could see in the distance, that was the East Gate. But yeah, pretty good. Okay, we're at Sai Nang and the big tree, and yeah, we're going to go and check this out, see what it looks like. You can see all the supports holding up the root system and branches. There's also some fish in there in the water, quite big, some of them. Yeah. Be careful you're not falling in the water.
Hit my head. Or a fish, huh? See? Oh.
Okay, we're at the night market, and yeah, let's check this out. Looking good. from them. Fantastic fruit and veg. All these different exotic fruits and durian.
อันนี้แพ็คละ130กับ150ถ้า2แพ็คเหลือ250
เขาอยากมาแพ็คไหนอยากมา
ได้
ร้อนหน่อยค่ะกับกาแฟเย็นเอาโบราณค่ะโบราณแก้วนึงแล้วก็กาแฟเย็นแก้วนึง
Thai coffee, very sweet but tastes great. So, Thai traditional coffee, looking good. And Tin's getting a iced coffee, I think. So it's basically the same, and they just pour it over a cup full of ice. How are you?
Hello, Papaya.
Yeah, sometimes Thai. How are you going? So many different varieties of food here that absolutely looks delicious. Sausages. Yeah, there's so much on offer here. Somtam. If you want chicken feet, we've got chicken feet here. Got some skewers. We've got some skewers here. Look like squid. And over here, we've got some bugs. Great market. Okay, let's get back to our accommodation. We've got our stash full of food. Looking good.